Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Today's Focus is the podcast where we take big ideas, break them down, and turn them into actionable insights. I'm your host, Sean Ryan Randleman, Strategic Solution Architect at Solution Guru Brands. And today we're diving into a topic that hits close to home for all of us: money. Specifically, the timeless debate: money can't buy happiness, but poverty can't buy anything. So let's unpack this together. Grab a coffee, tea, or whatever makes you happy, and let's chat about what money really means in our quest for happiness. The balance between money and happiness. All right, we've all heard it before: money can't buy happiness. And sure, that's true in a sense. You can't walk into a store and say, "I'll take 10 pounds of happiness, please." But here's the flip side: poverty doesn't buy anything either. Let's be real, financial stability matters. It's not about living in excess or buying yachts and private jets. It's about having the freedom to make choices, the peace of mind to live without constant stress, and the ability to support your dreams and passions. Think about it. How much harder is it to focus on personal growth or meaningful relationships when you're worried about paying rent or deciding between groceries and a medical bill? Financial struggle doesn't just limit luxuries, it limits options. And options, my friend, are key to creating a life you love. The link between money and well-being. Let's look at the science for a second. Studies show that while having extreme wealth won't make you infinitely happier, financial hardship is often linked to stress, anxiety, and even health problems. Imagine the toll it takes on your well-being when every dollar is stretched thin and every decision revolves around survival. Now, don't get me wrong, money can't replace purpose or meaningful relationships, but it sure does help when you're not constantly worrying about the basics. Financial stability gives you the breathing room to focus on things that do bring happiness, whether that's spending time with loved ones, pursuing a passion project, or just enjoying a little peace and quiet. How to break free from financial struggle. Okay, so we've established that money isn't the key to happiness, but it's definitely part of the equation. The question is, how do we get to a place of financial stability? Let me give you some actionable tips. You know I love a good strategy. First, financial education is a game changer. If you don't understand how to manage money, it's going to manage you. Learn about budgeting, saving, and investing. There are so many free resources out there: books, podcasts, even apps that make it easy. Second, diversify your income. Relying on one paycheck is risky. Think about ways to create multiple streams of income, whether it's a side hustle, passive income, or investing in something that grows over time. Third, tackle your mindset. A lot of us grow up with limiting beliefs about money. Maybe you've heard things like money is the root of all evil, or rich people are greedy. Let me tell you, those beliefs are holding you back. Start shifting to an abundance mindset, one where you believe there's enough wealth and opportunity to go around. And finally, plan strategically. Set financial goals, make a budget, and stick to it. Even small steps add up over time. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. Finding the true currency of happiness. Now, here's the big takeaway: money itself isn't happiness. It's a tool to support the things that truly bring us joy. Those things: purpose, meaningful relationships, personal growth, and experiences that enrich our lives. A high-paying job that drains your soul won't make you happy, but a job that aligns with your passion and supports your goals, that's a win. And remember, happiness comes from balance. It's not about chasing wealth for wealth's sake, and it's not about ignoring financial stability. It's about finding that sweet spot where your finances empower you to live a purpose-driven life. All right, folks, that's a wrap on today's episode of Today's Focus is. I hope you found this conversation insightful, fun, and maybe even a little motivating. Remember, financial stability isn't just about numbers, it's about creating the freedom to live the life you've always envisioned. If you enjoyed this episode, do me a favor, share it with a friend, leave a review, or let me know your thoughts. Let's keep this conversation going. And if you're ready to dive deeper into strategies for financial empowerment, head on over to the blog for the full article. Trust me, it's worth the read. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, I'm here to help you design a life that's not just successful, but fulfilling. Until next time, take care, stay focused, and remember, money might not buy happiness, but poverty can't buy snacks.